Cholesterol affects almost 40% adults worldwide. One of the food that experts always ask to avoid is egg yolk. So what is it about egg yolks that makes them so high in cholesterol? If you're an egg lover or just curious about nutrition, stick around because we're about to get to the heart of it. First, let's clear up what cholesterol is. Cholesterol is a type of fat found in our cells, and it plays several important roles. It's needed for making hormones, vitamin D, and even for building cell membranes. But too much cholesterol, especially in the blood, is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. However, not all cholesterol is bad. We have two main types, LDL, often called bad cholesterol, and HDL, which is considered good cholesterol. Now let's talk about the egg yolk itself. This golden yellow center of the egg is packed with nutrients. It's rich in vitamins like B12, D, and A, along with essential minerals such as iron, phosphorus, and choline, which is excellent for brain health. But here's where the cholesterol comes in. One large egg yolk contains around 186 milligrams of cholesterol, which is more than half the recommended daily limit. So why is all that cholesterol concentrated in the yolk? Egg yolks are high in cholesterol for a reason. Cholesterol is actually essential for developing the embryo inside an egg. It's used to create cell membranes and to build the structures that eventually become tissues and organs if the egg were to fertilize and grow into a chick. Since the yolk serves as a nutrient reservoir, it's packed with everything needed for growth and development, including cholesterol. That's why it has such a high concentration of it. Now, here's the big question. Is eating eggs with that much cholesterol unhealthy? Well, research has found that for most people, dietary cholesterol, the cholesterol we eat, doesn't have as much impact on our blood cholesterol as we once thought. Our liver actually produces most of the cholesterol in our blood, and it adjusts based on how much we consume. For healthy individuals, moderate egg consumption doesn't appear to increase the risk of heart disease. However, if you already have high cholesterol or certain health conditions, you might want to be mindful of how many egg yolks you eat. Eggs, especially the yolk, are still some of the most nutritious foods on the planet. They offer high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that are hard to get elsewhere. So, for most people, eating an egg a day can be part of a balanced diet. So there you have it. Egg yolks are high in cholesterol because they're designed to support life, and for us, they offer an incredible range of nutrients. If you enjoyed today's dive into the science behind food, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.